Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to sharing something great for you. And from first of all, these two things are very important in this video. So keep watch the video till the end that you can easily know everything about it. Yes, today we are going to talking about kidney stones. As you can see in front of you in my this pocket or called this box, I have kidney stones and I passed that kidney stone. As you can see in front of you, now I'm going to showing you that. Focus please, my camera is not focusing on this. And okay, as you can see in front of you, that is the kidney stone that I passed naturally by home remedies. As you can see that's kidney stone, and I got operation for that kidney stone. I'm going to showing you. This one was that kidney stone. For that I have to be operated. Now I have total experience of these type of kidney stones. I get operated and I naturally passed them by just home remedies. Then what I did when my kidney stones are passed through my urinary tract. Yes, many times it happens with us that in mostly common scenario we feel pain on our right or left side, and after that we get sonography ourselves. Then we find that we have kidney stone, and that's why we have pain by any region. Now how much kidney stones can be passed and how can be passed, I'm going to telling you now. First of all, keep in mind that kidney stones are measured by just sonography, and their not exact value or exact size can be easily find. Many times if you have a 6 plus 6 mm kidney stones and they are aligned or they are very near, then it will show in the sonography that there is 12 or 10 mm kidney stone. Then what we can think about this? 6 to 7 mm kidney stones can be easily passed through our urine, and I'm going to telling you the process of that, how you can do so. I have a list over there and I'm going to telling you. First of all, what do you have to keep in mind, that if you have any problem, like you have a fever, high fever time by time again and again, then you should get operated yourself, get operation yourself and pass your kidney stones through that. Otherwise home remedies are over there, and these are two best things that you can easily apply. But before that, what you have to do in your life, that I'm going to telling you. First of all, drink a lot of water. Yes, you have to drink a lot of water, about 3 to 5 liters if you can drink in a day. I mean, you have to just pass urine frequently if you want to pass your kidney stones through the urinary. Now what we have to do, first of all, we have to drink a lot of water. Second number is there that you have to use curd or buttermilk in your life. Yes, you have to just 1 or 2 glass daily. You have to use that curd or buttermilk. I was also using that. I was drinking a lot of water. I was drinking curd daily and lemon water. Yes, twice a day, empty stomach, you have to drink lemon. Someone is making noise over there. And you have to drink lemon. Number 4th is there, you have to drink coconut water. That will lubricate your kidney stone and your urinary system, that is your ureter, your urinary bladder system and your penis portions over there. Now number 5 is that big thing, but before that I'm going to telling you number 6, don't eat anything salty. Yes, you have to avoid these salty things. Yes, you are listening very right, you have to avoid these salty things. And the number 5 one was about this, and I'm going to telling you in the last, because that is taking a lot of process and the conditions I'm going to telling you about that. Now number 7 is very important, and that is important for every illness, every type of problems of your life, that is exercise. Yes, you have to exercise. You have to just walk gradually, or cycling. You have to just sit-ups, push-ups, or anything you can do. You have to do at least for 30 minutes daily, or 6 days a week. Number 8 is that if you have a fever condition, and I already explained you, then keep contact to doctor. If you have a dark yellow urine, or you have a bleedy urine, then contact to your doctor, because you have may infection due to kidney stones, and then you may need for antibiotics course over there, and you have to do that type of antibiotics course only in the observation of the doctors. Now I'm going to telling you the main thing is over there, that is these two things that are I'm going to telling you, that is in India, that is called Patthar Chatta. In India, that is called Patthar Chatta. If you search or find the details in the description, you will be easily find the details about this. And I found the name of that is Kalanchoe pinnata. Kalanchoe pinnata plant's leaf. You have to use 5 plant leaves of that, and you have to use people in India, that is ficus tree. As you can see, ficus tree, you have to use 5 these type of leaves, 5 these type of, and 5 one of these, and you have to wash them very well, and you have to blend them in the mixer jar. And after that you have to add about a glass of water, and you have to blend them well, and empty stomach you can easily take that easily after the filtering that water. Now keep in mind that you have to use that type of 10 leaves daily for at least 1 week, and after that keep drinking high level of water, and then you will be find that your urinary kidney stones are passed automatically within a month or 2. You have to keep in mind that you have to contact doctor if you have any problem, but my kidney stones just passed by these type of great process. Hope you like this video and understand that how you can pass your kidney stone naturally. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.